But today we're going to be saying the Shiva Pancharya Stotram. We hope you enjoy because today is
Tiruvadirai. Happy Tiruvadirai.
Happy Tiruvadi, everyone.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Nagendra Haraya Trilochanaya Basmagaragaya Maheshwaraya Nityaya Shuddhaya Digambaraya Tasmai Nakaraya Namah Shivaya Mandagini Salila Chandana Charchitaya Nandishwara Pramadhanada Maheshwaraya Mandara Mukhya Bahu Pushpa Supuchitaya Tasmai Makaraya Namah Shivaya Shivaya Gauri Vadanabja Binda Suryaya Dakshadvara Nashakaya Shri Neelakandaya Vrishabdvajaya Tasmai Shikaraja Namah Shivaya Vasishta Kumbhodbhava Gautamarya Munindra Devarchida Shekaraya Chandrarka Vaishwanara Lochanaya Tasmai Vakaraya Namah Shivaya Yajnaswarupaya Jadadaraya Pinaga Hastaya Sanatanaya Divyaya Devaya Digambaraya Tasmai Yakaraaya Namah Shivaya Panchaksharamidam punyam yappade Shiva sannidau Shivalokam Shivena sagamodade Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya.
Okay, guys, so thank you for watching our video. I want you guys to put in the comment section one thing you like about Shiva or one thing you learned about Shiva. Thank you very much, and we hope you continue watching our videos. Bye!
Bye!